So today we're going to be doing a comparison of Robinhood versus Webull. And so what we're going to do is actually go over a couple different sections and categories for you to see all the differences between the two. And the first one here is going to be our fees and commissions. You can see Robinhood will get you commission-free trading on stocks, ETFs, and options. There are no account minimums or fees for basic use, which is awesome for anyone wanting to just get started. The main cost would be if you opt in for Robinhood Gold, which will give you better margin rates and a higher interest rate on your uninvested cash. Now with Webull, just like Robinhood, will have $0 commissions on stocks and ETFs. They also have no account minimums. Now, as we go through this, if you like either one of these companies and want to sign up, the links will be in the show notes down below. You do get a nice sign up bonus using our link, as well as we have some video beginner guides in the show notes down below that we put together completely free for you to utilize. So not only do you get to sign up, but you also get to make sure you set up your account correctly to be able to get started with investing. Now, the next thing we want to talk about is the account types. Now, Robinhood, beyond the standard taxable brokerage account, they also do expand into retirement accounts that include a Roth IRA as well as a traditional. This allows users to manage both short-term and long-term investing under a single platform, and they just started to roll out joint accounts as well. Now with Webull, they provide a variety of accounts such as a cash and margin account and various IRAs such as traditional, Roth, and even rollovers from a previous 401k. Now next up is going to be fractional shares. Now a key feature of Robinhood is its support for fractional shares. This actually allows users to buy small portions of a stock or ETF with as little as $1, which is a great way to diversify a portfolio without a large initial investment. Now, Webull also offers fractional share trading. The biggest downside as of this recording, though, is that they can't queue up the buying or selling of fractional shares while the market is closed. So next up is dividend investing. This is where you make income from stocks or ETFs. Now, Robinhood does provide a user-friendly dividend reinvestment program, also known as DRIP. This feature allows reinvesting cash dividends back into the stocks or ETFs that paid them, which can help accelerate portfolio growth through compounding. And honestly, this is an automatic thing, and it's a one-time toggle on to be able to set up. Webull also supports a DRIP program. Both platforms make it simple to enable or disable this feature for your dividend-paying investments. Now, next up here is paper trading. This is where you can pretty much practice with fake money on investing. And currently, Robinhood does not offer a paper trading or simulated trading feature. All trading actively on the platform involves real capital. Where on Webull, a major advantage for the platform itself is the paper trading simulator. This tool provides you a virtual account with a set amount of cash, allowing users to practice trading strategies and become familiar with the platform risk-free. Now, next up is options trading. This is generally reserved for a little bit more of an intermediate investor, but we do want to kind of cover the bases here, even if you are just getting started. Robinhood does have a simplified approach to options trading. The options chain is designed to be clear and easy to navigate, making it a suitable starting point for new options traders. All option trading is commission-free, not including, of course, regulatory fees. Now, Webull's platform is more robust for options trading. It includes advanced charting, technical indicators, and option analytics like the Greeks, which cater to a more experienced trader. While also commission-free, there are minor regulatory fees as well. Now, when it comes to research and education, Robinhood's platform offers essential research tools, including real-time charts and news. A Robinhood Gold subscription provides additional access to more in-depth professional research from Morningstar and Level 2 market data. Now, Webull provides a more extensive suite of research and education tools. Its platform is regarded for its advanced charting capabilities, numerous technical indicators, and a wide range of market data to assist with in-depth analysis. Now, like I mentioned earlier, I will have links in the show notes down below to both of these apps. If you'd like to go ahead and get started with either one of them, you'll get a nice bonus using our link exclusively, as well as links in the show notes down below that will be beginner guides to both of these platforms. So not only do you get to sign up, but you get to make sure that you set up your accounts properly to get started with your investing. And what I'll do for you as well is toss up one of those beginner guides right over here for you as well to go ahead and jump right in to checking out and setting up your account.